Hazrat Sahil bin Sa'ad radiyallahu anhu reports, a woman came to the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam with a burda. Do you know what is a burda? It was said, yes, a wrap over sheet with embroidered margin. She said, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, I have woven it with my own hands to give you to wear. The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam took it as he was in need of that and came to us and had worn it as a wrapper. One amongst the people said, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, give it to me. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, okay, and the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam went away from the meeting. Then he sallallahu alaihi wasallam returned, sent it to him folded. The people said to him, you have not done good to ask it, whereas you know that the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam does not turn down anyone's request. He said, by Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, I did not ask for it, but only for the purpose that when I die, it must be my shroud. Hazrat Sahil says that was his shroud. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 2093.